Do you ever feel like your brain is slow? You read something twice, forget what you were about to say, walk into a room and forget why you're there. Your thoughts feel cloudy, your focus feels weak, and you wonder, what is wrong with me? This is called brain fog. And no, you're not lazy or unintelligent. Today, we break down the psychology and neuroscience behind brain fog and how to clear it. What is brain fog? Brain fog is not a medical diagnosis. It's a symptom, a state where your brain feels slower, less focused, mentally tired, forgetful, unmotivated. It's cognitive fatigue. Your brain is overloaded. Why brain fog happens? Your brain needs balance to function properly. When that balance is disrupted, clarity decreases. Here are the main causes. 1. Chronic stress. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol. Short-term stress sharpens focus. Long-term stress impairs it. Chronic cortisol exposure affects the hippocampus, the part of the brain responsible for memory. Stress literally makes thinking harder. 2. Poor sleep. Sleep is when your brain cleans itself. During deep sleep, the glymphatic system clears waste from the brain. If sleep is poor, toxins accumulate, memory weakens, focus drops, emotional control decreases. Sleep deprivation mimics brain fog quickly. 3. Dopamine overstimulation. Constant scrolling, short-form content, notifications. Your brain becomes overstimulated. When dopamine spikes repeatedly, baseline motivation drops. Everything else feels boring. This reduces mental sharpness. 4. Emotional suppression. Unprocessed emotions consume mental energy. If you're constantly holding things in, your brain stays busy in the background. That background processing reduces clarity. 5. Decision fatigue and overthinking. Too many choices, too much analysis, constant mental noise. Your prefrontal cortex becomes tired. Fog increases. Signs you're experiencing brain fog. Difficulty concentrating, forgetfulness, low motivation, slow thinking, mental exhaustion, feeling disconnected. Brain fog is your brain asking for recovery. How to clear brain fog. 1. Improve sleep quality. Protect your sleep like your productivity depends on it, because it does. Consistent bedtime. Reduce screens before bed. Dark, quiet environment. Sleep restores cognition. 2. Reduce dopamine overstimulation. Limit constant scrolling. Create boredom intentionally. Let your brain reset. Lower stimulation improves focus. 3. Manage stress daily. Deep breathing, walking, journaling, prayer or meditation. Lower cortisol equals clearer thinking. 4. Move your body. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain. It boosts oxygen and improves executive function. Movement sharpens the mind. 5. Process emotions. Talk, write, reflect. Mental clarity improves when emotional load decreases. Important truth. Brain fog is not weakness, it's overload. Your brain is protecting itself from burnout. When you reduce stress and stimulation, clarity returns. Signs you're recovering. Thoughts feel sharper. Focus improves. You feel more present. Decisions feel easier. Recovery is gradual, but consistent. To summarize, brain fog is cognitive overload. Chronic stress impairs memory. Poor sleep reduces mental clarity. Dopamine overstimulation lowers focus. Emotional suppression drains energy. Recovery restores sharp thinking. Your brain is not broken, it's overwhelmed, and you can clear the fog. If this helped you, like this video. Subscribe to PsycAcademy for brain-based mental clarity tools. Comment, when do you experience brain fog the most?